Hello, it's Clive Lambert from Futures Techs here. I thought I'd take a look at a few charts today, looking back at what we've seen in the last 6 months and looking forward to what we might see over the next 6 months. And so let's get cracking. And the first chart I'd look at, one of the most important charts in the world, probably the US dollar, what's happening with the US dollar. For this, we're looking to look at the dollar index. We've seen tentative gains throughout 2019, but as you can see from that chart, that red line, which was around 99, was a big level back in 2017, and we fell over at that point. And what we've seen over the last 2 or 3 months is a sort of topping formation forming there. So it's looking toppy. I think we're going to see a pullback here. 95.00 is the first target, and then we can look back towards 92.40 possibly for the dollar index. And so we're sticking in the US. We've got the S&P 500, which has been, had a good 2019, healthy gains, and looks like it's going to end the year strongly as well. We were capped just above 3,000 for quite a lot of the, over the summer period, but then we broke out to the upside in late October. And we've held those, we've held that 3,000, 3,030 level since, and so yeah, we can be looking higher on this one. What would the targets be for that? We got 32.07 was one of the targets I had, and that's just, we're pretty much there now. Above there, 33.89 is a target, and then 35.07, and and then we've got that channel, and that starts life around 35.50, the top line of that channel. So there's another target we could be thinking about to the upside. So there's no reason to bat against that at the moment, or is there? There is something slightly worrying on that chart, and that is the low reading of the ATR at the bottom there, which is the average true range. Obviously, we're looking at a weekly chart there. We're seeing quite low weekly ranges, if you like. So we're rallying on a lack of volatility. And if you look back on that same chart, the previous times where we've seen low readings in that have been followed by quite significant corrections back in January and September 2018. So yeah, as long as we hold the bottom of that channel, and that starts off at 30.50 at the start of next year, as long as we're holding above there, everything looks okay though. And the last chart we'll look at is the DAX, and I've chosen a monthly chart for this to illustrate that we have very recently got very close to making a new all-time high. What's the phrase? Close but no cigar, I think what we've got going on there, but we are very close to reaching new all-time highs there on the DAX. And if we were to, if we were to make new highs and see off that 13,600 level, then we can think about levels like 14,400, maybe even 16,000 for the DAX in the first half of next year. That double top, those two highs at the same price means that if we were to see a break of 10,270, which is the low between the two highs, then we get a big sell signal. But that's a very long way off at the moment, and I don't think it's something we need to be worrying ourselves about just now. Thank you very much.